boy. Let's go, boy. We about to go kill some zombies. You know you gotta get off the nigga. Come on, bro. You know we gotta swap characters, bro.
Negative.
What you mean negative, boy? Come on, bro.
Not happening.
Yeah, let me get the nigga, bro.
He was probably the only one that looked straight on the whole squad.
Yo, big facts. Yo, you're not lying about that one, bro. That's big facts. I know Metsu likes hard games. This game is up there, bro. Could definitely use a Metsu for this one.
Oh, we can skip this. I already seen that.
Can't promise it'll be easy, but I got your back.
I only had to start the deck because I only played this once.
Bro, we got a guy named Stinky and Redbeard. I don't like our chances already.
Oh boy.
He's already starting off sus.
Yep. And they on the Xbox too.
Goddamn Xbox players, bro. Actually, hold on. Let me take that back. I was an Xbox player. I take that back. Yo, for your card, I suggest taking the combat knife is good because it's like an insta kill.
Mm-hmm.
And battle lust. If you see battle lust, get battle lust. Because what that does, like every time you kill a zombie with a melee attack,
yeah,
you get HP points, and that's mad crucial, bro. So like everything else is kind of whatever, but like I think I'm gonna just go for the battle lust here. I'm gonna just start swinging. But those are like the two I suggest. Oh, y'all niggas going in already? Hold on. Y'all starting a party? Oh, not yet. Okay. All right, I'm ready. I got my machete. Let's get it.
Need to find a good vantage point. See how bad it is.
Oh, you taking?
You got
okay.
Lucy right there, the back.
Man, I got this machete, boy. I'm about to start.
Hey, Jagger!
Hey,
Watch where you're shooting.
About to start. Te amo rojo culo or somebody,
They
boy.
need to stop.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Trying to jump
About to
in
get on
front
my
of me.
grande
Shoot
negro
them.
B. Hold on, let's get it.
Through here!
Oh, y'all ain't playing, boy. Back up. Let's get it.
This thing just dragged me into it.
Ain't somebody just swipe the AK-47? That's how y'all doing? Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm about to say. Somebody came and swiped the carbine like that? I gotta share, bro. Like, sharing is caring. Good. I'm getting hit. That's a big boy. Gotta get back. It's a big dude. Nice.
That's a thick boy.
Get behind me if you don't want to get
He's
shot.
a big boy.
He's a thick boy. Boy, pause, boy. Thick boy. What you mean? What you mean thick?
Should I say?
Nah. Don't say.
I'm sorry, Win.
I know. I already know you were saying. Like, I ain't even gonna try you. I know you were saying, Loki.
Just a scratch. Not too bad. I'll take this.
We got painkillers back here.
Let me know if we're trying to. I got you, Metsu, for sure, bro. You definitely got to get a session in. Oh, let me get that painkiller. Appreciate
See
it.
that?
You know, days will get on.
Y'all ready?
All right. I'll watch this side.
I'll be over here.
All right. Running and gunning, baby. Running and gunning. Hold on. I don't know what I'm swinging at, but I'm swinging. Stop playing with me, boy. I'm out here. All right, that was pretty good. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you. In the beginning, there's a item you can buy called. Oh shit.
Put that somewhere else.
Oh, hell
Oh yeah, there's also friendly fire by the way too.
I know this.
Need to patch myself up.
That's a big nigga, boy. Oh my god. I'm dead.
Here.
Yeah.
I need it.
What those bastards did to me?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Did you see that?
But now look, yo, check me out right here,
My friend.
Mike. Right here. In the beginning, right here. I was gonna say you need a toolkit.
Stun gun.
So remember, like in the beginning, that little shop box you can use.
Yeah.
I was gonna say to pick one up because in here you get like mad, like just mad shit that we can use.
Yeah.
I should have picked one up too. I'm already mad low, bro.
Friendly fire. Sorry.
Damn, bro. This man out here shooting me and shit, bro. Like,
I don't want to look at it.
Where's the gas tank? They took it.
Patching this up.
I would be careful, bro. Also, yeah, bro. There's birds in this game. You see like a pile of birds.
Yeah.
Do not go near them, bro.
No, yeah.
Yeah. They'll spawn like a horde, bro, and then like mad zombies come out of nowhere.
They've got us trapped.
We got you.
Oh, thank God. We thought we were the only ones left. We could really use some assistance. We're pinned down in the old... Help!
Birds, the birds got tired of it, facts. Off with your head, thank you. Off with your head, thank you. You want some too? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh my God, you're touching me. You're touching me. Chill, 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 chill. Oh my God, I woke up the birds. I woke up the... Yo, Mike, get out, Mike. Mike, get out. I'm sorry, bro.
What?
Get out, bro. Just run, my guy. Just run. Just get out. Just get out. Just get out, bro. Just run if you can. I'm sorry. Yo, Mike, run, run, run. Up top, up top, up top, up top. Oh, I can't move. Oh, can you get out?
Yeah, I'm out.
It's a big nigga, boy. He coming for me. Oh my God. Oh, he hit me. I'm dead. That's it. I'm dead. I'm down.
And there's two of us.
Got me.
I guess I couldn't live up to it.
Yeah, that's my fault, bro. I woke up the birds. God.
He's the main
My
person
phone
to
died.
talk about it. Oh. Try running up.
Yeah, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Move out.
Go.
Need to find a good vantage point. See how bad it is.
You shot me.
You okay?
Boy.
You need to stop
Nah.
running in front of me.
That's something. Yeah.
There's a first aid here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
My bad.
No, that was my fault. I was shooting it.
I'd say please kill, but it never is. Reloading.
Give me that. Yes, sir.
Nothing to worry about.
Got him.
Ammo over here.
Oh yeah, it's a big dude in here.
Yeah, I got him. I got one of them.
Stay back.
Get back.
Here. Nice.
Yo, toolkit, Mike.
I got it.
They'll be back.
Yeah, right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's a good shit, bro. Pain meds? Yes, sir. Take all that. Oh, we're gonna take that, yes, sir.
Found a barrel attachment.
Not too bad.
Oh, I'm ready, bro. Got some items. I reloaded.
Oh my god, here comes the horde.
God damn it, Stinky. You just had to wake up the horde.
They've got us trapped.
We're here.
Oh, thank God. We thought we were the only ones left. We can really use some assistance.
Oh, what the?
We're pinned down in the old...
Somebody help me.
Oh, they come from behind you, bro. What the fuck?
Ammo here. Die, you scum! Reloading.
You guys good up there?
You don't want to be all the way
Yeah,
up there.
sure.
To find the rest.
Let's gonna keep going.
Taking a
I'll
second here.
take this.
No more birds, please.
Yeah, please. Sure.
Oh, behind us,
Get it.
behind us.
Oh, his name. Okay, that's called a
Nothing to worry
bruiser.
about.
All right, cool.
Need to reload.
Fucker.
Is that Jay?
Reloading.
Got him.
Hold on a second.
Drove for a while. Made a good living, too. Drove? Trucks. I drove trucks. I ended up back here.
Hope there's no mold. It really fucks with my allergies. Get me back up. There's life in this old dog yet. Need help here.
Need some first aid here.
It's not me.
Get off me. Bussin'. Bussin'.
Could use that.
My aim is bad? What are you talking about? You're watching the greatest aim ever. Like, come on. Oh, yo, Mike. Haul ass, Mike. Haul ass, Mike. Haul ass. The birds. The bird. Just run. Just run. Yo, safe house to me. Just run to me, and we can close it out. All right, get in. Get in. Get in. Mike, you way over there, Mike. Oh
What?
my God. Boy,
I'm coming,
Mike.
I'm coming, I'm coming. I lost breath.
Bro, they coming.
Close the door on them.
Get.
In.
Zombie guts on me. Alright, we in. Close door. Yo, Stinky
just
boy,
left
get your
him.
big. I'm about to get on you, boy. Guys, bro. Oh my God. They got it from your boy. I came out the womb shooting it. Stop
Yeah,
playing.
you definitely don't know how to shoot. You can only
What you
do
mean I
kill
don't know
steal.
how to shoot? I'm the Hokage, bro.
All
Stop
you do
playing
is
with
do
me.
nothing but kill steal. You got that?
I'm
You
the
seen that?
Hokage.
I had
They call me
89
Mr.
kills.
Headband. Super
Yeah.
ninja skills with the handstand. Holla at your boy when you see me on the highway. It's a bird, it's a plane. Oh my God, the Hokage.
I'm about to get
Come on now.
copyrighted.
Copy? What do you mean? That's my how am I about to get copyrighted? That's my quote. This is crazy.